I want to show you something you can do to power up your GMB posts. So let's say this right here is our GMB post, just like this one, okay? A regular GMB post, fully optimized like we've talked about before, a bunch of links, citations, your G page, your actual website here to learn more, your NAP, so fully optimized like we've talked about previously. But now what you're going to want to do is build links to these GMB posts, because if you're building links to these posts, and your posts are linking out to your money site, to your GMB listing, to other, these can be citations, social media profiles, any other types of links you have. If you're linking to your GMB posts, the link juice will flow through to these entities. Okay, so any links built here, so to here, to this URL, you can copy this link, and you're going to be building links to here. So let's actually paste it on here. So you're going to be building links to this link. So all the links you build here will eventually flow through to all these properties. So your website, social media, citations, and again, if you have everything interlinked, so the links you build here go through your citations, for example, and your citations link to your website eventually. Or you can link, of course, from the GMB to your money site directly. But that's not the goal of this video, because we already talked about that. Our goal is to teach you how to link build to these properties, to the GMB post. So the types of links you're going to want to build are GSA links, which are basically 10 to 20k link blasts, which you can blast to your GMB post with your exact match anchor. You're going to want to do high DA links. And this is what I do, okay? This is what works for me. You're going to want to build high DA links, these ones with your exact match anchor, a bunch of branded anchors, and some long tail versions of your main keyword, and then some tier 2 PBN backlinks. These are extremely powerful, and these I usually do naked URL and exact match anchor as well. So all the power from these links will be going to your GMB post or posts, which then in turn will be going to your money site, your GMB listing, and other types of links. And this will make both your money site rank in Google and your GMB listing rank higher in Google as well. Then there's a trick you can do is, say for example here, I'm linking to my website. As you can see here on the bottom left corner of my screen, it's linking to the website. Something you can do is, though, instead of linking from the GMB post directly to your website, you can link to bit.ly and then to your money site. So how do you do this? You go to bit.ly.com, you hit create a URL, a short URL, you go here. So the learn more button, links to our site. So let's do this and paste it in here, and then create a short link. And you can customize this however you want. You can put your main keyword in here as well. Main keyword, this one, main keyword, blah, blah, save it. And then you use this link that bit.ly gives you and post it here. So in the learn more button, instead of posting your main URL, you post your bit.ly link that links to your main URL. So you're posting this link right here in the GMB post. So the GMB post links to here, which then of course links to your money site. And why would you want to do this? Because bit.ly links are redirect links. So and I can show you. So let's just copy this. If I go to this URL, it will redirect me to the money site. Okay, so the site that I put there. But the good thing about bit.ly links is that they carry a lot of power. I have here an example which I can show you. If we copy this link and I pasted it here in the Moz Open Site Explorer, you can see that the page and the domain authority are super high. So you are passing it through a DA 90 plus and a PA 50 plus link short on a redirect link. And this will give some extra power to your links from your GMB post. So if you're doing all of this, you might as well do this as well. It's an extra step to give you some extra power. And as you can see here, these links do actually carry some power. And yeah, this is basically what I want to talk about. It's this short strategy to link to your GMB posts that actually works.